Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to find your customer ID in MoonPay step by step. First, open the MoonPay app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now on the home screen, tap your profile icon or open the settings menu at the top right. And here, locate this option called account and tap on it. And here you can see customer ID. This is your unique MoonPay identifier, usually shown as a long number or code. If you need it for support, just tap and copy your customer ID. You can then paste it directly into an email, chat, or form when MoonPay support requests it. And that's it. That's how you quickly find your customer ID in MoonPay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.